today I'm just going to give you a little tip on something. So this is kind of a faux red work where half of it's stitched and half of it's stamped. This is one where I just drew my hand and drew some vines and some words and stitched those, and then I stamped the bird in red. This one is the vine stamp that I used on some circle coasters, and this is a really fun one because you can take this vine, stamp it on anything, and do any sayings or verses or anything you would like inside of those. And instead of the circle, I used one of the IOD stamps that looked kind of like a frame and stamped that and then stitched the words. And all I did is sew some border edges around it and finished it off. But it's just a fun idea. If you like red work, if you would like to do maybe green work, use their frond stamps where it has all the leaves and the fun pieces, and then do stitching in green or do something else in blue work. But whatever you do, have fun. Just another tip.